Evening showers over the weekend may have brought some relief, but it looks like heavier rain is on the way. IMD has upgraded Goa's alert level from yellow to orange from the 20th to the 22nd, with heavy to extremely heavy rain likely in isolated areas. A yellow alert remains in place for the 23rd and 24th. Citizens are advised to stay alert as strong winds and thunder showers may cause disruptions. On Tuesday, temperatures are expected to dip, with IMD predicting a maximum of 32 degrees Celsius and a minimum of 26. The day will remain cloudy and gentle winds will help ease humidity levels. But that's where the relief ends. Heavy to extremely heavy rain is expected between the 20th and 22nd, possibly accompanied by strong winds and thunder showers. There's a risk of tree falls, light flooding and wall collapses, especially in vulnerable areas. Commuters and residents are advised to exercise caution and avoid venturing out during these spells. Meanwhile, conditions remain favorable for the southwest monsoon to advance over the Arabian Sea, Maldives, Comorin area and more parts of the Bay of Bengal over the next 2 to 3 days. A cyclonic circulation is also likely to form over the east central Arabian Sea near the Karnataka coast around the 21st of May. Under its influence, a low-pressure area is expected to develop by the 22nd, which may intensify and move northwards. This development could further enhance rain activity across the west coast, including Goa. IMD upgrades Goa alert to orange from 20th to 22nd May. Heavy to extremely heavy rain likely in isolated areas. Yellow alert continues on 23rd and 24th May. Strong winds and thunder showers may cause disruptions. Maximum and minimum temperatures on Tuesday, 32 degrees Celsius and 26 degrees Celsius respectively. Risk of tree falls, light flooding and wall collapses in vulnerable areas. Citizens advised to exercise caution and avoid travel during heavy rain spells. Southwest monsoon advancing over Arabian Sea, Maldives, Comorin and Bay of Bengal. Cyclonic circulation expected near Karnataka coast by 21st May. Low pressure area may develop by 22nd, potentially increasing rainfall along west coast including Goa. Bureau Report, Goa 365 with inputs from IMD.